Do y'all ever buy a chicken from Walmart that you bring home and then it loses its crispness and stuff when you warm it up? Crispness. Well, all you have to do, or crispiest, whatever, all you have to do is get a piece of chicken out, put a little bit of water in a little bitty cup like this, set it in your plate, and then put it in your microwave for 1.5 minutes, and it should still be crispy when you get it out. That's how we're going to cook supper tonight, and we're eating from Walmart. This cost us $7 for 8 pieces of chicken, so we're going to heat it up for supper. Okay, we're going to put it in the microwave with that little cup in it. You don't need to put nothing on top of it or nothing. Just go for 1 minute. And then 30 seconds. Okay. And you can also do this trick with reheating pizza up. And it works. Thanks for watching. This is a short, and have a good day. Bye.